Hello students, this is a video of Maths 1. Lesson number 3 is going on, that is arithmetic progression, and it is a video number 8. Practice set 3.3 is going on. Already I explained you the formula of sum of first n terms, and in the previous video we completed first few examples. Now today I will explain you example number 3. See the textbook, open the textbook, page number 72, exercise 3.3, example number 3. In the example number 3 it is said that find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. So see what is asked. Find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. This is example number 3. Now see here, sum we have to find out between 1 to 350, but even numbers. So 1 is not the even number. So immediate after 1, the first even number is 2. That means the even numbers started from 2, then 4, 6, 8 and so on. The last number is given here 350, and the example is find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. That means between 1 to 350 means not 1 and not 350, between these two. That means though 350 is an even number, it will not come in the list. So before 350, the even number is 348. That means the last even number is 348. After 348, 349, that is not even, and after 349, 350, which is a even, but it cannot come in the list because it is said between 1 to 350. So here now the sequence or the AP is in front of us. We have to find out the sum of all even numbers from these 2 to 348. That means between 1 to 350. So the formula is, which formula we are going to use, that is SN formula. For that we need A. So A is equal to 2. First term is 2. As it is said even number, that means D is equal to also 2. And the 348 we will consider, that is Tn. Tn is equal to 348. So how it is? T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to 6, T4 is equal to 8, T5 is equal to 10, dash dash dash, Tn is equal to 348.
348. 348 is equal to 2, 2 4 is equal to 8, 8 plus 2 is equal to 16, 16 plus 2 is equal to 20, 20 plus 2 is equal to 30, 30 plus 2 is equal to 40, 40 plus 2 is equal to 50, 50 plus 2 is equal to 60, 60 plus 2 is equal to 70, 70 plus 2 is equal to 80, 80 plus 2 is equal to 90, 90 plus 2 is equal to 100, 100 plus 2 is equal to 200, 200 plus 2 is equal to 400, 400 plus 2 is equal to 800, 800 plus 2 is equal to 16, 16 plus 2 is equal to 20, 20 plus 2 is equal to 30, 30 plus 2 is equal to 40, 40 plus 2 is equal to 50, 50 plus 2 is equal to 60, 60 plus 2 is equal to 70, 70 plus 2 is equal to 80, 80 plus 2 is equal to 90
we don't know 348 is present on which number, or what is the term number of the 348. So we are saying it is Tn. That means Tn is equal to 348. Now here we have to find out the sum of all even numbers, but for that we need n, because Sn formula we are going to use, and we should know n for Sn formula. So first we will find out n using Tn formula. So here first find n. That means total how many terms are there. Then only you can do the addition of that many terms. So first find n using Tn formula. And the Tn formula is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 in the bracket multiply by d. This is the Tn formula. So by using Tn formula you will get only n. Tn is equal to 348 equal to a is 2 plus n minus 1, we don't know n, so it will come as it is, multiply by d, that is also 2. We'll complete the calculation. 348 equal to 2 plus, always you should carry out first multiplication, 2 multiplied by n, that is 2n, 2 multiplied by minus 1, it equal to minus 2. So 348 equal to plus 2 minus 2 will be cancelled, plus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, remain only 2n. And so 348 divided by 2 equal to n. And so you will get n equal to, if you divide, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8. So here you will get n is equal to 174. Now this n is equal to 174 we will use in Sn formula, and we will get the sum of all 174 terms. N is equal to 174 means all even numbers in between 1 to 350 are 174. 174 even numbers are present in between 1 to 350. So we'll do the sum of all this using formula. The formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiply by d, close the bracket. This is the common formula, so you use this. You can use any other method, that is also allowed. But as we learn this Sn formula and one more Tn formula, so we will use those formulae. Now Sn, that means sum of 174 equal to 174 upon 2 in bracket 2 multiply by 2 plus 174 minus 1 multiply by 2. So you get here 174 equal to, if you divide this 174 by 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, in bracket 2 2s are 4, 174 minus 1 is equal to 173 multiply by 2. If you complete the calculation, you will get sum of 174 equal to 87. Sum of this 4 plus product of this 173 multiplied by 2 is 346. And so you will get sum of 174 equal to 87. Sum of this 4 plus 346 is 350, and so sum of 174 equal to the product of these two is 30,450. So this way we get the sum of all the even natural numbers which are present in between 1 and 350. So here in the example it is said, find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. So first we should understand the meaning of the question. Between 1 to 50, between 1 to 350, that means not 1 and not 350. So 1 is not the even number, but the next even number after 1 is 2. That means the first term in this sequence is 2. Though the 350 is even number, we did not take it, or we cannot take it. So before that the even number is 348. So here A is, that is first term, and that is 2. D is also 2, and T and we are getting, that is 348. But to find out the sum, we are using SN formula, and for that we need n. So from the Tn formula, first you find out only n. Use this n in SN formula and get the sum of the numbers which are in between 1 to 350. So the example is easy, only the calculation is important, and which formula you will use in which place, that is important. For that you have to keep on doing revision. Unless you do revision, you cannot be perfect in this. So you have to do the revision again and again. Thank you.